It's the 9th of August 2021. This is the only staff elevator at the Scandic Hotel here, Scandic Hotel Jyväskylä City in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, Finland. Because this is the 1975 built part, and they built one staff elevator here. You can see they used to have V8 fixtures. This one here.
Yeah.
And the interior is still actually what the original.
Yeah.
It is still, just the metal changed. They don't need a key card here. It doesn't need it. It's built actually early 1976. The two main were built late 1975.
Yeah.
Whereas in 2007, at the same time as the 1982 ones in the other part were modernized.
Yeah.
Where they don't have a staff elevator at all, because they have storages on the upper floors.
Mm.
The serial number is H32423. It's these 20% of those grams. We expected this year, 2021.
Yeah.
And 7 rooms. The full US and attic floor.
Yeah.
One light is enough here because staff only.
Mm.
You can press it.
Yeah.
It's great that we found that it wasn't locked off.
Yeah. Expecteert gewijs dat met dit bij Kone.
Mm-hmm. Back to the 5th floor. I think this for you attic floor is supposed to be locked off, but it wasn't.
Yeah.
It has a lock inside it. Strange. Because on this side it doesn't have a lock on it,
Yeah.
but only on this side. Okay, that's it. I wonder, it's only on the first floor for that door, maybe.
Yeah.
That's it. And of course, please watch the 4 other elevators at the hotel, 4 passenger elevators.
Yeah.